Hey, this is Brent DeMartini with DeMartini RV at the 2025 Newmar product launch. I'm standing in front of the new 2025 Mountain Aire 4118. This coach received a lifecycle change this year, so it's got new front and rear caps, a new interior look, and leather seating. Let's go take a look. Here's the inside of the new 2025 Mountain Aire. We have a new feature ceiling, new cabinetry options, and new for this year, we've changed from the ultra leather to real Italian leather. So this is a huge upgrade for the Mountain Aire and all of the Newmar luxury diesel pushers. This is the 4118 floor plan with the new cabinetry, which is the Morel high gloss cabinetry. This is available in suede as well. And they also have an option for a two-tone cabinetry in this coach. So if you do opt for the two-tone cabinetry, the upper cabinetry is going to be white, and then you're going to have the darker cabinetry down below. With this floor plan, we have a full wall slide here that offers a lot of room going through the hallway. In a 41-foot coach, you still have a huge bathroom and bedroom and a lot of storage. So you have a king bed here that you can get easily access both sides. You have dual wardrobes here and lots of drawer storage. And here in the bathroom, we have a linen closet and washer dryer. And we've got one sink here, lit mirror, a lot of storage here. They've updated and cleaned up the wiring in here for the lighting panel. And we've also got Starlink router in the bedroom. That's an option. And pretty big shower for a 41-foot. All right, so the whole cockpit has changed for the Mountain Aire in the 2025. So now we have, again, our real Italian leather captain's chairs, and these also have power headrests, which is new. And the front screens have changed to where you have both screens in one now under one piece of glass. So that's going to be a nice, more seamless look. And they've also redone the entire dash for the 2025 Mountain Aire. So it's going to be a little more accessible for the driver. The 41-foot Mountain Aire is one of the highest torque 41-foot motorhomes in the industry. So this has 1695 foot-pounds of torque with the Cummins 525 horse. This coach has air leveling, and it's going to go up the hills really good while towing 15,000 pounds. So here's the new rear cap for the Mountain Aire. Here's your LED taillights, those are new. And again, this is gonna have the 15,000 pound tow and the air leveling with the Spartan chassis. And it also comes pre-plumbed for a tow vehicle. The new features on the 2025 Mountain Aire make this a great choice for those who want a motorhome with a lot of power that you can get in a 38, 41, or 45 foot length. So if you are interested in this coach or one like it, this one MSRP is for over 900 grand, but we would sell it for much less. Send me an email at brent@demartini.com or call me at 530-615-2544. Thanks for watching.